Okay, so there's two main licks here that I want to focus on to help pull out that slashy blues sound. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every single time I post a video out on playing guitar. Okay, so the first thing that I want to look at is pretty much in the lick. I'm going to focus on just the first half. It's really focusing on that quarter bend, which isn't even a, it's not a half bend. That'd be a half bend, it's that quarter bend. So it's like just that little touch up and then doing that pull down and finishing on that major third there. Adding that in gives it that real country blues sound. So slowly you're going to be going, and it's like a delay on that bend up, There's that pull down, and it's also not a half bend, it's a quarter. It's just that pull and release. So you got getting in that major third there, gives it that blues sound. So up to speed. So you want to do it with that attack. Even if you're just a beginner and you're just doing that beginning part over and over and over and over again, just get good at that. So mix the two together. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to move that lick into the deeper octave. With the same attack, and you're doing the exact same thing. Except now you're just going to pull the strings down that quarter bend instead of pushing it up. They were pushing it up. Here we're going to pull it down. Okay, and adding in that major third. So you want to do it with as much attack as possible, exactly like the other one. And then combine the two. Also in the comment section below, let me know if you want to hear a little bit more about the techniques and some of the thinking that's going on behind Slash's playing. Okay, so the second lick that we're looking at, or the second half of it, is that it's got like that really cool cadence feel. It's got an odd cadence to it, and that's what makes it really bluesy, especially hopping off that flat 5 note. And you kind of walk in with a bit of a palm mute on it. And then take that the octave up. So if you just use that end kind of tail part, and you get that kind of movement, that cadence, you'll be able to really create that cool blues sound. And then link the whole thing together. And do it up to speed as quick as you can with as much attack as you can. If you need more help with some of the techniques and exercises, download my free videos. I'll leave a link in the description. It should be able to help you with a couple of those. Or if you want a more in-depth transformation and detailed dive on the guitar from zero in the beginning stages all the way through intermediate and into advanced and doing a lot more of the advanced stuff like in this video, check out my guitar course below. I'll leave a link in the description to that too. Also, don't forget to check out this video, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. But until then, peace.